In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and out of your Microsoft Outlook account. So whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, follow along and I'll guide you through the process with ease. Let's kick things off by signing into your Outlook account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed, likely at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Here, you'll need to input your email address or phone number associated with your Microsoft account. After entering these details, hit the Next button to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is a key step as it's crucial for securing your account. Remember, keeping your password confidential is vital to protecting your personal information. Once you've carefully typed in your password, click the Sign In button, and voila, you're now logged into your Microsoft Outlook account. Having successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at your Outlook dashboard. This is the heart of your account where you can manage emails, calendar events, and much more. To demonstrate that we're indeed logged in, let's take a look around briefly. One way to confirm this is to click on New Email to start composing a message. This will open up a new window where you can enter the recipient's address, your message, and any attachments. But let's not get carried away with sending emails just yet. Now that we're familiar with logging in, it's time to cover the equally important task of logging out. This is especially critical when you're using a shared or public computer, as you wouldn't want anyone else accessing your account. To log out, remain at your Outlook dashboard and direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which typically displays a small version of your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Sign Out. Go ahead and click on Sign Out, and just like that, you are securely logged out of your Outlook account. It's as simple as that. So there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly log in and out of your Microsoft Outlook account. It's important to make logging out a habit when using shared devices to ensure the security and privacy of your information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using Outlook and other Microsoft services. Stay safe and organized, and see you next time.